Hello, I am Dr. R.B. Patil, Yashwantrao Chavan Varna Mahavidyalaya, Varnanagar. I am going to discuss about soil erosion and soil conservation methods. Soil erosion is one of the major problems facing by agriculture sector all over the world. Soil erosion lowers the fertility of soil and it gets degraded. There are different types of soil erosions, that is, seat erosion, rill erosion, gully erosion. This slide shows the photograph of gully type erosion, and this map shows the percentage of soil degradation by continent. This slide shows the causes of soil erosion. We know that there are different causes of soil erosion. Especially overgrazing cause contribute 34% of the soil erosion, and this is the single and largest element or cause which is responsible for soil erosion. After that, deforestation is also important cause of soil erosion and it contributes 30%, and cropland agricultural area contributes 28%. These three important causes are very responsible for the soil degradation and erosion. Other overexploitation and industrialization also contribute at some extent. This map shows the degradation of soil and area or region which faces this serious problem. Soil conservation methods. Crop rotation. Crop rotation is one of the important methods for soil conservation. The single crop growing the same field for many years responsible for the degradation of soil nutrients and lowers the fertility of soil. On the other hand, unique and combination of crop rotation is very essential for the enrichment of soil nutrients by ecosystem services. Contour farming. Contour farming is also practiced in the tilted area according to consistency of equal height lines. So it also helps for soil conservation as well as water conservation. Intercropping method. Intercropping method also helps for the uh, conservation of soil erosion as well as enrichment of soil nutrients. The different types of crops responsible for release some microorganisms in the soil which is very essential for the soil conservation. And intercropping method is started or it begins from the beginning of agricultural practice, but after commercialization of agriculture the monoculture is increased tremendously. But for soil conservation it is again needed to practice of intercropping method. Terrace farming. In the hilly region the land is cultivated along the slope with some terrace. It is important for the conservation of soil and conservation of water, rainwater. Shelter belts. Shelter belts is also is, shelter belt is also important method, especially in arid and semi-arid region. The fast-growing crops protect the small one or the low-height crops by breaking the wind velocity, and it protect land from wind and wind erosion. Mulching is another method for soil conservation. With the plant residues, naturally the land can cover. And nowadays, polythene paper is used for the mulching purpose. Mulching of the land is covers land and protect the rate of evaporation. So mulching is not only causes for the conservation of soil but also increase the production of crops. Thank you very much.